Hello, Infinity Army, and today we're going to discuss how you can get an audio out of a song. For many of the singers out there, you might have heard a nice song and want to do your own cover, but you need the music. You can easily remove the lyrical part, but how you gonna get the music? So in this video, we are going to discover and actually show you the process of actually extracting the audio out of a song. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do remember to hit the subscribe button and as always like the video. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So bros, here is the very important trick. You need to open up your Play Store or Apple App Store. This application is available at both of them, and search for an application named Backtrack Ed. So as you can say, Backtrack Ed Musician Player. So once you open it, it's developed by Z.H, and I've actually installed it, but I don't have the data to update it right now, but I would do it certainly. Now once you have done it, you just can open the application, and it's of having a very user-friendly UI. Now once you hover to the button of songs, you have audios. Now I have only one audio, so hey, can you hear it? It's the NCS song Dule Fearless. So this is actually not the real audio but the amplified audio. So this one is the real audio, or you might say the real song. Now in this part where I will play, I hope you can hear a human voice. This is the lyrical part. Now I want to remove this. Now how can you do it? To very much start with, you just need to drag the song till the first 0 seconds, and then you have to click on this mic button and disable this, so it is reducing leading instrument, and just you need to click on the save button. Now obviously when you save it, you get the option of watch video ad or purchase premium. Now I cannot do it right now, so it's up to you. You people can easily do it. I have already done. Now this is actually the one. I actually didn't rename it, that's why I got confused in the beginning. Now once we're clicking it, I'm just gonna go to the same position. I hope you cannot hear any human voice. That's because this audio has been compressed, which means you can now make your own cover songs out of the audio. Now this is very important, or you might say a very useful app for these musicians out there who can actually make a cool video or cool song out of this application. So if you have seen this video and still not like this, here I give you a chance. Go hit the like button. And this Infinity Army is growing right now, and I want much and much more people to join it, and I hope you will be the one who will join it. If you're a musician, this is very important to you. So without wasting your time, go download the application. And as always, Infinity Army wins. And before I end my video, I would love you people if you can comment on down on the video telling me how you want the next video to be. For example, if you want any video on certain topic, feel free to contact. I'm right now free and can make videos as you want. So without wasting your time, let's stop the video. And as always, a very goodbye.